guys, today on Dirt Lifestyle, we're going to Elbe. I know you've seen a lot of Elbe videos from me, but today I'm bringing my friends from Lite Brite. So to bring some Texans up to do some real Washington wheeling is very exciting for me. And we're even bringing my buddy Kelly with Muddy Beards, you guys know him. So we are practicing our CDIC recommendations. We're gonna be in a group of like 5 or 6, and we're going away from the city. I'm safer in the woods, the way I look at it, than my house next to all those neighbors. So we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna have some fun and hopefully get a little bit of redemption on the boat ramp. Kelly?
We're at the Alder Loop kind of rock pile, they call it.
Yeah.
It's pretty legit, mostly because it's wet.
Yes.
And the rocks here are a lot different than other places. It's slippery.
It's very slippery.
Makes it a little more interesting, for sure.
What do you think, Kevin? You gonna do the rock pile?
Well, I mean, yeah. Yeah, I'm here.
That's not the enthusiastic hell yeah I was looking for.
Oh, hell yeah!
Woo!
You can tell a little bit of difference.
Yeah.
I filmed you last time you did it with the Maxxis on there. Because of the mud, it didn't seem to do too much better.
I agree.
It did a little bit better.
It did a little bit, but not
stuff down here.
Not miles better.
But
I think mud is just, it's tough. Stop. That was yoke all day.
That was a brand new drive shaft.
drive shaft. Okay.
Oh, no. You disconnected.
Disconnected what?
No drive shaft connected to the rear axle.
Oh, shit.
There's no drive shaft connected to the rear axle.
Oh, wow.
What'd I do?
That rear. Let's see here.
Let's winch you off of this. We don't want to work on it here.
I need to go back.
Here, take that.
Jacob's gonna strap up. We are in what some people would refer to as a pickle. I would never say that because that's ridiculous and offensive.
And your
But
last name.
and okay, Kevin, thanks for stating the obvious. I think we have a two-piece drive shaft that is now more than two pieces. Is what I think is going on.
The drive shaft is.
So we're
Let's go ahead. If that's the case, let's just winch it out.
Well, we can pull it so you don't damage the yoke or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So if you just pull it.
It's wadded up above the exhaust. The drive shaft is up over the exhaust and embedded into the muffler. Dented, twisted, and all the heat wrap is gone. Damn, Nate, what the hell did you take me on, dude?
Well, you know, I don't want to say you should have bought a TJ, but I'm just...
So we made it, we drove here. We still made it up it under our own power.
Yeah,
right?
no one else helped us.
Nobody else helped us. Somebody gave me some tools to pull the rear.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna drive home.
We're still gonna drive home.
Even after all this.
And we're going to do boat ramp.
I can try it.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. So we didn't know, none of us could tell that you were on the drive shaft and you were, that's fatigue from it getting rubbed on the same rock over and over.
Yeah.
Don't spot me onto a rock down the middle of my Jeep, Brittany.
What did you say?
You got break of the day. So far that's break of the day. We are headed back to the parking lot. We're gonna drop off Kevin and Brittney's Jeep, and then they're just gonna hop in. They're gonna funnel in with the rest of us. We're still gonna salvage this day. It took a little while to pull their drive shaft and get their rig off the trail, but they're just gonna roll home in front wheel drive. It's one of the benefits of having a high pinion 60 up front, is that you can definitely just drive it on the street with front wheel drive and not even worry about it. Oh yeah. Dilly-dallying. We're gonna head straight to boat ramp. I gotta try out these stickies. I'm gonna beg everybody else to let me go first because I cannot wait to see if I can actually make it today. redemption. All it took was the stickiest tires on the planet. That's all it took. That's all I needed. And good friends spot me, of course, and holy crap. This is it's one hell of an obstacle. I'm excited to do it again. Not today, because right now I could drive it on the trailer, and I don't want to like get too cocky and then not do that. Kelly, you gotta come over here. We gotta talk about this.
What if I don't want to talk about it?
So this is Kelly. Kelly tried too. His
Failed.
tires are actually the same compound as what my Razors were.
Yep.
And I think we just saw a very nice side-by-side comparison between the two compounds, because I've tried this twice on Razors and could not do it. He just tried it on, gave a valiant effort, of course. It's just a hell of an obstacle.
Yeah,
Tried it on Pro Comps. Although I have seen someone do it with those exact same tires, but it was a JK.
Don't.
So.
Oh my God. Don't do that to me.
With an automatic, which it's really hard. You need hydro assist for sure.
Yeah.
And a lower TK gears, I think, will both help.
For sure.
But it's a hard obstacle no matter what you got.
It's
It
a
really
bear
is.
for sure.
Those tires are like Spider-Man.
No, it's true.
There's spider webs.
Yeah, they're like spider webs.
Sideways driving down the hole.
They are freaking spider webs. He's like, oh, tree?
It was crazy how you could watch them warm up and they started grabbing farther and
Yeah.
farther. Like they really just get gluey.
And you just turn them, and then all of a sudden it's like, and then you
Yeah.
just walk up it. That's super sick.
Well, what do you guys think of Elbe? I know that we didn't have the best start to Elbe. but-
No, it was freaking
That was
rad.
still fun.
It was super flat.
Shit breaks.
Yeah.
Things happen.
Yeah, totally.
At least it wasn't like a stupid like strap broke on the other. At least the whole drive shaft is like twisted.
It was
and-
It's
exciting.
a good
It was
solid
exciting.
It was a
break.
justified break.
It's a good break,
no
yeah.
doubt.
Like,
And we're not out of commission. We're driving home.
You're driving home, absolutely. You have to
Somehow.
leave on a
Front
trailer.
wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Muddy Beards. Make sure you check out Lite Brite. These are my friends. They're awesome people. They have great content. And if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. And if you want to get Dirt Lifestyle swag, you can go to thedirtlifestyle.com. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm at Dirt Lifestyle Nate. We'll see you next time.
Later, guys.
I will. Let me get up in there first. I have a route I want to try and do.
Well, if you want to tell me the route, I can put you on it. He's just walking. Those tires are so dumb. Yeah, he's got that. Those things are nice tires. Those tires are so dumb. Yeah. You've already made it past the hardest part without even hitting the gas. You're good. Perfect. It's gonna go. Let them dry out. Let them dry out. Don't go. Work the wheel. It's going.
It's going, man.
Second gear is not good either.
Those are the cheapest tires ever, dude. That is so sick. God, those tires are so dumb. Yeah, those tires are so dumb. I watched videos and like flooring it through here, like have to bounce over this.
Are bellied out?
I can't tell. I think you were on some. I think you were caught right on the arm mount, the arm bracket. There you go.
Hit it.